And that buys time for some of the seeds to take root and sprout. Now these seeds will face the dangers below together. By releasing billions of seeds all at the same time, they swamp the pigs and any other animals with more than they could possibly eat. And that buys time for some of the seeds to take root and sprout. The tree's strategy has worked, but a seedling will have to overcome many more dangers over the years if it too is to become a giant. And there are many ways in a tropical forest by which a tree's life can be ended before it reaches its prime.